Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find TikTok Shop on PC. Let's get started. First, launch any web browser on your PC. Visit www.tiktok.com. You'll notice that TikTok Shop isn't visible on this main site. In the browser search bar, type TikTok Shop Seller Center or TikTok Shop PC. Click on the result that leads to seller.tiktokglobalshop.com or your original TikTok Shop. On the TikTok Shop site, you'll find options to log in or register. Choose your role: seller, creator, affiliate, or partner. Then choose your preferred role and follow the on-screen instructions to manage your shop, view orders and inventory, explore affiliate options. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.